You did a Annapurna Base Camp trip, ABC. Yeah, yes. So you go by bus. How is the night bus to like Nayapul? Nayapul, how is night bus?
It was good.
Very good.
Bumpy.
Bumpy. Night bus also bumping.
Night bus bumpy.
Yeah, Pokhara, Kathmandu, night bus bumpy. Okay, and then guide us. How is guide?
Amazing.
And it was very good.
Very good guide.
Very good.
Very good guide. So, what time you get down in the Nayapul?
Nayapul, I think 7 o'clock, 7 a.m.
Or 6 a.m.
And you did a breakfast, Nepali breakfast, anda, egg.
Oh, we had egg and
Eggs
toast.
and toast?
Yeah, eggs and toast.
Oh, okay. So it's all okay. But how you go Upper Sinuwa? So one day, from Jhinu. Because from Jhinu to Chumrum very steep up.
Jhinu to Chumrum very steep. But
Yeah,
it was
very
good.
steep up.
It was good. It was good challenge.
Good challenge.
Good challenge.
So you take a breakfast in the Jhinu.
No, we had breakfast in Nayapul, lunch in Chumrum.
Lunch in Chumrum.
Yeah.
So how your body is carried to the Chumrum? So steep up.
Yeah, it was tough. It was tough, but it was good challenge for the morning.
Okay, all these things okay. Up to the Sinuwa no problem, but it's still long.
Yeah, hard.
Very long. But I have same experience from Annapurna Base Camp to Chumrum one day. Many years before. That times I was very young.
Yeah,
I did not marry. I was 24 years that time. Yes. Yeah. So on the way up was it snowing or?
From Deurali to ABC it was snowing.
Snowing.
There's a lot of snow. Thank you.
Oh, okay. And overall, okay, I don't ask you anything about other places, but I like to focus on Annapurna Base Camp. How is this?
Annapurna Base Camp in the morning was beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful.
At night it was snowing a lot though, but in the morning it was beautiful.
Overall, how was it? Cold, but beautiful.
Beautiful. Okay, and
How was Annapurna Base Camp?
It's amazing. It's so beautiful.
beautiful. Okay, so you are going to next trip like a Muktinath, Jomsong. Okay,
Yes.
Jomsong Muktinath. So okay, I like to at last one question. How is the guide? Yes,
Amazing. Recommend him. Emil's amazing.
amazing. So he is helpful.
Yes, very helpful. He helped carry my bag.
Your bag only,
Yeah.
not his bag.
No,
Not my bag. Not very helpful. It was
Who
good.
carry his bag?
Me, I carried my own bag.
So he helped her very much.
Yeah, but he also changed our plans for him as well. Made us come back quicker, so he's very helpful.
Oh, okay, very nice of you. Okay, welcome Nepal. Okay, have a nice time Kathmandu. Tea and coffee, breakfast, lunch, dinner, Nepali dal bhat. Thank you.